Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to unbox the Galaxy Tab A7 made by Samsung, and we are also going to check out the book cover for this Galaxy tablet. This is a tablet with a 3 GB RAM. There is also another version with 4 GB, but this one it was discounted and it was a little bit cheaper than the other version, and because it has 11-inch screen, it is a pretty good tablet to be used as daily work and to view some news, check out some videos as well, play some games. Not so many games can be played with 3 GB RAM, but some basic games, I presume they can be played pretty easier. Still, this gaming review we will check it out a little bit later. For now, let's unbox it and we will going to see how the tablet looks like. Oh, by the way, in case you are wondering if the screen size is exactly 11 inches, not totally 11, it's 10.4, but if you're going to ask me, there is no difference between 11 and 10.4. They are kind of the same size, and if you see the edges here, they are a little bit quite large, because it's good for you to hold the tablet and not touch the screen accidentally, and to access some apps or to switch between some slides and so on. Put this one aside a little bit. Very well packed. So here we have the warranty card, and probably, what is this? Package content. Okay, so just showing it to you how to use it, user guide or something like that, in different languages. And the charger, wow, quite a small charger. It is very small. It can go up to 7.8 watts and 1.55 amps. Yeah, it's not really great charger, but let's see the cable here. Quite a long cable though. It is a Type-C cable, and I think it has like 1 meter cable. Yeah, it is 1 meter. Quite disappointed about the charger though. I think the battery on the tablet, it is 7000 milliamp hour. So with this charger, maybe it will charge in 2 hours or so, as long as the fast charging is working. But since the charger it is small, I presume it doesn't have as fast charging anyway. Alright, and we have a SIM tool over here. I think we should take it out for now and check out the SIM tray from the tablet. It can support 4G, it doesn't support 5G, this one. Alright, let's just put it on the side. This one's as well, and focus on the tablet now. So Let's open it up. You actually have to rip it off from here. Is it? Oh no, it's like this. Okay. It's my first Samsung tablet. I had before an AllView tablet and Acer, but this one it's totally out of their league. It's a complete league actually. Yeah. So, alright. So let's check out it looks like. Here you have the front camera, which is 5 megapixel. In the back it's the 8 megapixel camera. So if you want to take a photo instead of landscape, you have to make it vertical. And so in the right side it has the volume button and the power button. And also I think, yeah, this is the microphone over here. No, this is the microphone. Oh, okay, so probably this microphone is noise cancelling. Okay, it has 2 speakers, or at least this is what it shows here. Maybe just one speaker and the other one is just fake to make it even. It has a headphone jack, USB Type-C, and the microphone over here. And in the left side it is the SIM tray. So you can introduce a SIM card and a memory card. The memory card can go up to 256 gigabytes, and the tablet has only 32 gigabytes internal memory. And now we are in. Okay, so let's check out first about the tablet. So yeah, not so many information here. Yeah, so we can check the battery information, which is like 7,000 milliamp hour, battery level 51%. Not too many things we can see over here, I guess. Legal status, yeah. Software update, channel management, blah blah blah. So let's check out the display here. So it has light and dark. The brightness level, adaptive brightness, which I do not like this one. Adaptive brightness, it's alright when you sit in bed and it's automatically. So this 4K video, it doesn't support more than 10 minutes apparently. So it comes with pre-installed apps, Galaxy Store, Samsung Notes, even Netflix and Spotify. Yeah. Calculator. Not too many apps, which is great. You don't need too many garbage apps. But we can go and check out, let's check out some games, for example. Let's see if we can download Asphalt 9. Okay, we can download the Asphalt 9 then. Great. So apparently the tablet has 4 gigabytes, right? The RAM I'm referring to. Let's check it out a little bit because I'm not 100% sure if it's alright this way. so it's better to see it. And let's check also NBA 2K mobile game. Yeah, as I was thinking, you can only download the NBA Supercard basketball game, because the other version you can't download it. Your phone or tablet requires at least 6 gigabytes. Let's put basketball. Yeah, it is not here. So as long as your device doesn't have 6 gigabytes, you cannot download the NBA 2K mobile basketball game. Alright, welcome to Samsung, blah blah blah, we don't need that. Okay, let's try out now the camera and to see how it's working. Let's take a shot. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Where do I go to see photo? Here? No, going here. This is the one. Okay. Well, you can read apparently, but of course it's only 8 megapixel camera. Don't expect to have great quality photos on this tablet, but it can make reasonable photos, I guess. Let's try to focus in a little bit. Yeah. Put it like this. Looks okay, I guess, I presume. Probably turn on location tags. Not now, maybe later. Let's try out. This is 2.6. How much can go? 8.x. 8x. Yeah. Wow. Interesting. Can go up to 8x. Okay, let's try a video. And go. Yeah, we will check out now how this video can be made, and to zoom in and zoom out. Stop it and check out the video. And now we will definitely try out also the speakers. So play video. How this video can be made, and to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so I didn't saw, but also on this side it has speakers as well. That's pretty interesting. So it means it's a stereo speaker on both sides, so you have a great sound experience. Alright, so I will try to recharge it with this very long cable. It has 2 meters and it's pretty good when you're staying in bed and you want to browse your tablet. This is also a good opportunity to see how many percentage can it charge in a couple of minutes, right? Yeah. Alright, coming back. Okay, put the charger in and the cable. That's it. So let's see. Now it's 26% and charging. Okay, so yeah, we're around 1 minute of video right now, so we will see how many minutes it takes. Okay, what else should we do here? So we have Samsung Notes. Never tried this one before. Individual pages, import PDF. Can make your own notes here. Turn on sync, it says here, but not now. Done. Oh, alright, so it looks like it is a Word or a pad, so I just write some notes. Okay, we check this one. It has all Google apps. Doesn't have Facebook, of course, or Instagram, but you can install it without any problems. It has Microsoft Office, OneDrive. You can also store your files, and Outlook. Okay, other features? No, I think that's it. And in files you can see images, videos, audios, documents. Pretty useful, this one. Yeah, if you see here, internal storage 32 gigabytes, and it is used. This one is used or free? Probably 72. So half of the memory it's used right now, apparently. Not sure if it's by the system Android and all the apps, or yeah, I just installed one Asphalt 9 game, but I'll check one later for my son because he definitely wants a children game. I also installed Brave browser, which basically you can earn crypto by browsing the internet and also watching some advertising. So this Brave browser is basically blocking, like you see here, trackers, ads, and they give a specific ads that you can earn cryptocurrency, which as normal crypto can be exchanged for real world money, dollars or euros, etc. So in this case, the crypto you earn, it is BAT, BAT, Basic Attention Token, and you need to set up a wallet. I didn't set it up here, but you have to verify, blah blah blah, and just go over there. I will make a review about this Brave browser, which is pretty good. They have their own searching engine right now, which is really cool, and also if they can translate the page in English if it's in a different language than English. So yeah, very useful. So we tried the cameras, we tried the videos. I'm a little bit curious in the camera. Yeah. Let's see the face. Yeah, I'm filming from a Note 9 phone. So in the video, apparently it goes on 30 frames per second, full HD. It's in more pro camera. I can see here different aspects. QR code, smart selfie angle, picture as previewed, selfie tone, video stabilizations. Yeah, so let's try again that YouTube. Where is it? Google here, right? Let's actually put it on the main screen. Yeah, much better over here. And move it in this side. No, up, down, something like this, right? Put it over here. So let's check some music. Raw. Let's check out this Hands Up. Yeah, advertising. Let's make it louder. The sound quality is really amazing. It has a surround sound speakers over here. Surround sound system. So apparently it has 4 speakers. These 2 in this left side and another 2 in the right side. It's pretty loud though. So yeah, with surround sound you have a different, not only different sound quality, but it also makes you feel that you're experiencing live. So yeah. The screen, it looks really cool actually. It is a fingerprint. Make it a little bit lower. Yeah, so you can see all the fingerprints on the screen. It is not an OLED, I guess. No, it is an OLED, but you cannot see in different, very wide angle. But it doesn't actually matter, right? So if we increase, let's look right here. So if we increase the brightness of the screen, you can see much better, right? So yeah, I like that because of this 10.4 inch screen. You can also scroll down other videos like you do it in a laptop. So yeah, you also can see here the comments. Pretty nice. I mean, this is the comment section, but you're supposed to let me see, maybe another video. Not sure which one. Let's check in my videos. Let's check some. I know there is one that has a lot of comments. This one. So creative license Iceland. Where can you see the subscribed, of course, but I'm not sure where do I see comment. Okay, so if you make it very low, in the right side you can see the comments very low of it. So yeah, these are the comments for this video. Yeah. I give some like to. There are two models of this phone, exactly, WP6. Okay, yeah, so this is if, by the way, if you want to watch Oukitel WP6, it's a rugged phone. Right now I have 11,724 views, and majority really love this phone. I also love it because compared to other phones that I had, I dropped it many times. It's really snappy. It has a MediaTek processor, but it's comparable to Snapdragon, so it also has a good camera too. Yeah, okay, so the videos have a really good sound quality, and the video quality is really amazing. Pretty good tablet, and not that heavy actually. It's very well balanced. Some other tablets have more weight in the right or left side. The right, yeah. So this one, it's also metal here, if you can feel it. Yeah. It's a matte finish. Pretty nice though. Like it. Okay, now let's try the cover to see how it looks like on the tablet. Okay. It has a plastic over here, where you can attach the tablet. Actually, the whole cover is plastic. Yeah, that's good. It means that it can protect very well against shocks from screen damage. So yeah, where is it? Like this one, I guess it goes over there, over here as well, right? And now you can put it like this and watch your favorite Netflix. Okay, so I set it up a little bit. Wow, it's really cool to scroll down on Netflix. Actually, let's put some videos here. Presets. Is it louder? Now it's the loudest. Yeah. Or you can make it like this. Right. Quite loud though. It feels like a laptop. Definitely. So, with the only exception that I do not have the keyboard. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, so the videos are really cool on Netflix because of the screen and have a perfect sound quality. Okay, so apparently it passed around 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes it has been charged around 2% or 3%. So if you see here how many minutes until fully charged, so it says, I'll try again, charging 29%, 5 hours, 6 hours until full. Wow. So yeah, most probably you must change the charger because it doesn't recharge the battery as fast as you might expect. So yeah, to wait for 6 hours until fully charged, that's a very long time. So, well, I'm not 100% sure if another type of charger will work perfectly with it, but I do not see why it shouldn't be like that. So maybe you can find a better powered charger from Samsung as well. I have from other phones like 2 amps or 3 amps chargers. So okay, interesting. So if you close the book, it's also automatically closing the screen. You see? Nice, very nice. Yeah, alright. So I will let it charge a little bit. Yeah, actually not a little bit, a little bit more time. And I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Please also share it with your friends if you like it. And I wish you a very nice day. Bye.